Are you tired of seeing the frustrating action cannot be completed because the file or folder is open in another program error? Don't worry, I've got a simple fix. This guide will walk you through the steps to resolve it so you can quickly delete or move your files without hassle. I have this new folder on my desktop which I'm trying to delete, but anytime I try to delete this folder, I get the action can be completed because the file or folder in it is open in another program error. And then in recent Windows versions, this error may show which program is causing the issue, but on older versions, it leaves you guessing. Here is a reliable method to tackle it. Now, open the Run dialog by right-clicking on the Start menu and then clicking on Run in a pop-up list. Type in resmon.exe in the provided space, then you click OK. This will open the resource monitor. Navigate your way to the CPU tab, head down and then click on the associated handles to expand it. Now, type in the name of the file that is giving you trouble in the provided space. And to make things simple, I'll just head to the file and then copy the name and then head back to the resource monitor and then paste the name of the file or folder that's giving me trouble. After that, I'll just click enter. The program using it or that is causing trouble should appear in the list. Right click on the process, then select end process. So I'll just select the process and click on end process. And then I'll confirm the prompt to close the file or the program that's keeping your file locked or keeping it from being deleted. I'll just select the next one. The end process isn't available, so I'll just leave it and head to the next one. Click end process and then give permission by clicking end process once more. Head to the next file and then that's all. Now, let's try deleting the file or folder once more. So I'll just select or right click on the folder and then click on delete. And then it should work without a problem. If this guide helped you resolve this annoying issue, please consider subscribing and liking the video. It encourages us to bring more useful tips to help you troubleshoot faster. See you in the next video.